Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can get Duolingo promo. So first search for Zootons on your web browser and then search for Duolingo. And then from the search results, you will see all the exclusive coupons for Duolingo. And then just view all those deals. And then from there, you can choose and select go to Duolingo website. So in here, you will be directed to the Duolingo website where you can start using the application. And that's it. That's how you get promo code for Duolingo. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.